How can I clean a laptop screen? There are several ways to clean a laptop screen using homemade solutions, special cleaning cloths, and items found around the house. It's important to use the proper technique to avoid causing damage to the screen. Liquid crystal display, LCD, monitors are easily scratched, and some caution is necessary to keep your screen in top condition. An absorbent cotton cloth should be used to clean a laptop screen, and never a polyester blend. Polyester contains filaments which can scratch the sensitive LCD monitor. Paper towels, napkins, and tissues should also be avoided, as they contain wood fibers which may damage the screen. Microfiber cloths are the best choice, if available, and are safe to use on almost any surface. If unable to find microfiber, a piece of an old cotton t-shirt may be used safely. Create a homemade solution for cleaning your laptop screen by combining equal parts isopropyl alcohol and distilled water. Do not use tap water, as it contains mineral deposits that may cause streaking and spotting on the computer screen. First, shut off the computer and wipe the screen with a dry cloth to remove any dust or debris. Then, soak a second cloth in the alcohol solution, and wring out thoroughly. Do not use a saturated cloth, or the solution may drip into other areas of the computer, causing damage. Wipe the laptop screen gently, moving in one direction, until the entire surface has been cleaned. Do not scrub, as this can scratch the screen, or cause dark spots to appear, even when using a soft cloth. Wipe with a dry cloth to remove any excess liquid from the computer screen. Store any leftover solution in a lidded plastic container or spray bottle. If using a spray bottle, remember to never spray the screen with the solution directly. To clean a laptop screen without using liquid, anti-static cloths can be purchased in many computer, hardware, and office supply stores, or ordered online. These cloths are typically recommended by laptop manufacturers as a safe and easy way to clean laptop screens. They will remove dust, dirt, and fingerprints with ease, without streaking or scratching surfaces. Microfiber cloths soaked in a pre-made solution can also be purchased to clean a laptop screen. These are often expensive, and contain nothing more than the alcohol and water solution described above. They offer a convenient way to clean LCD monitors, but if budget is a concern, making your own cleaner is recommended.